The entire universe runs in a special order. Whether it is the rotation of the earth or the countless stars moving in the sky, have you ever wondered why this order is so perfect? Why do we see the same principles and patterns everywhere? On the earth, in the oceans, even inside the human body. This order is deeply connected with the number 7. Allah created the heavens and the earth in 6 days and was established on his throne on the 7th day. There are 7 heavens, 7 earths, 7 doors of paradise and 7 gates of hell. Why is the number 7 so significant, appearing everywhere from the verses of the Quran to the creation of the universe? Is this a coincidence, or does it point to a greater reality that we humans have yet to fully understand? Let's explore the mysteries of the number 7 in the light of the Quran and science. Allah says in the Holy Quran, I created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and on the 7th day I established myself on the throne. In Islamic teachings, the 7th day of the week, Friday, Jummah, is called Yom al-Sabt, meaning the most blessed day and the leader of all days. Pilgrims are commanded to perform 7 rounds of tawaf around the Kaaba and to walk 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa. During Hajj, 7 stones are thrown at each symbolic pillar representing Satan. Surah Al-Fatiha, the foundation of faith and the Quran, has 7 verses, and Muslims recite it in every prayer multiple times a day. Its total number of letters is 21, which is a multiple of 7 and 3. A child is commanded to be taught prayer at 7 years of age. Both paradise and hell have 7 gates and 7 levels. In Surah At-Talaq, verse 12, Allah says, I created the heavens and the earth, and of the earth the like thereof.